Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with any app or tool. This process is designed to help you streamline your workflow and ensure all your essential tools work seamlessly together. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to ClickUp's website. Here, you'll find a wide range of features ready to help you organize and manage your work efficiently. Once on the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner and click it. If you use Google for single sign-on, click Sign In with Google. This method saves time and adds an extra layer of security. Next, select the Google account linked to your ClickUp profile. If it isn't listed, simply enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your ClickUp dashboard, where all your tasks and projects are neatly organized. Now, look at the top left corner for your profile name and click it to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives access to settings, apps, and integrations, allowing you to personalize your workspace. From the menu, select Apps. This section displays all available extensions and integrations for your ClickUp account. Next, click on App Center. The App Center is your hub for connecting ClickUp with the tools you already use. It provides a variety of apps designed to integrate seamlessly, enhancing your productivity. Browse the list and select the app you want to integrate. For this example, we'll choose Dropbox because it's widely used for file management and perfectly demonstrates the integration process. On the Dropbox page, click the Connect button. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize ClickUp to access your Dropbox account. Grant the necessary permissions so ClickUp can link your tasks with your stored files, enabling easy access and smooth workflow management. And there you have it. Dropbox is now fully integrated with ClickUp. This process works similarly for almost any application in the App Center, allowing you to create a fully connected, productive workspace. By following these steps, you can confidently integrate multiple tools with ClickUp and streamline your work like a pro.